सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi, my name is Lorenzo, and I'm the inventor of the bug assault. Flies are disgusting. Thanks a lot, Tony. Protect your food and your health with the bug assault. Simple to use, just pour ordinary table salt, cock, aim, remove safety, and fire. Non-toxic, air-powered, no batteries required. One pump, and it's over.
Go to bugassault.com today. $39.95 plus shipping and handling. For added value, the buddy deal. Order 2 guns and receive free shipping at bugassault.com.
Oh, booyah!
Looking for the perfect Father's Day gift for the man who has everything? Introducing the Brush Hero. Powered by pure torque and generated by your garden hose alone, the Brush Hero is perfect for your car guy, grill master, weekend cyclist, or backyard gardener. The Brush Hero never corrodes, requires no batteries or electricity, and provides strong, water-powered cleaning and detailing for cars, motorcycles, bikes, boats, golf clubs, yard tools, barbecues, window screens, pets, and more. Simply push on a brush, flip the handy on-off switch, and start cleaning. Don't get him another boring tie. Buy Dad the Brush Hero today. He'll have fun blasting the grime away. Order now at brushhero.com.
Making grown men cry since 1975, Sabre Red is the leading brand used by law enforcement agencies worldwide, including the NYPD and Los Angeles County Sheriffs. Made in the USA, Sabre Red features a much better value because it's a 4-year shelf life versus the industry average of only 2 years. And Sabre Red can be used much faster because it doesn't require precious seconds needed to shake the canister. It's ready to go immediately. Every canister is test fired, and every canister's strength is backed by our exclusive high-performance liquid chromatography guarantee, making it the most advanced pepper spray to be used worldwide. The Pepper Gel Professional model by Sabre Red features the exact same size canister used by law enforcement agencies worldwide and includes a free belt holster, making it immediately accessible. This product has a very impressive range of up to 18 feet, providing protection from a very safe distance. The unique pepper gel formulation eliminates wind blowback and contamination of unwanted areas and individuals. For larger sizes, the Sabre Red Pepper Gel is a great way to go.
Introducing the Ivation Portable Mini Shower. It's so compact it fits in your backpack. We've included adapters so you can set it up anywhere. It's great for outdoor adventures. All you need is a bucket of water or a lake. Just hook it on a tree. Drop the pump into a bucket and power on. A constant stream of water that will gently shower you clean, while an active built-in water filtration system filters the water. This lightweight portable shower can be used virtually anywhere. It's also fantastic for washing your car. Its soothing flow is also great for our furry friends too, even the finicky ones. They love the gentle stream of our iVision portable shower. This portable shower has a battery life that allows up to 1 hour of continuous use. To charge, simply plug into any USB socket. It's as simple as that. iVision, for life.